Hello, welcome to Sri's tutorial. Today we are going to learn how we can build a website by using Django. Django is a framework in Python. So you need to first download Python. To download Python, you need to go to this website, and from this website you can download Python. Let's download the Python. I will leave this link in the description area so that you will be able to download Python, right? To do that, I need to go to my downloads. Then in here, you need to double click on the application. Then you need to click on install now to be able to download it. Okay. Now after this uh, Python has been installed correctly, you need to configure the environment. To do that, you need to go to your so let's say you need to go to advanced system setting. Okay, let me do it again. You need to go to your PC, then click on properties, then click on advanced system setting, click on environment variables, click on path, then edit. And here you need to give a path similar to this one. Then after that you need to click OK. Okay, then after this is done, you need to open up your PowerShell in command in administrator, and in here you need to type Python. So if you get this kind of prompt, then it confirms that your Python is installed correctly. Then you need to install virtual environment in your directory. Let's say I'm in the E directory and I want to do that in this directory. Then I will say that pip install virtual env. So pip is a package management system. By using pip, you can install different packages in Python. Now, virtual environment is used to create virtual environment in Python. Since I already have installed a virtual environment, virtual env, it is showing me that requirement is already satisfied. Otherwise, it will show you that something else. Okay, but you really need to install Python virtual environment. To confirm your virtual environment is set correctly, you need to type python -m virtual env version. If you get this version, then your virtual env is installed correctly. Okay, now we need to create a virtual environment. So to create virtual env, so type virtual env, then Django tutorial. Okay, so virtual env Django tutorial. Now my virtual environment is set. Let's go inside that virtual environment. Then I need to activate that. To activate that, I need to type activate. When you see the name of the virtual environment in the beginning with your parentheses, you have found that your virtual environment is active. Then we need to install after your virtual environment is active. You need to install Django. So you need to type pip install Django, then hit enter. It will install. Now my Django is installed successfully because I see successfully installed Django. So I need to create my first project. So I need to type start project, Django admin start project, then name of my site that I want to give. Then I want to go to my site. In here I need to say python manage.py, then run server, then a0 okay. So here it is. You need to copy this one, then paste here. Now boom, it says that the install worked successfully, so you are done. And now we want to do what is we want to show you some kind of let's say message that we want to give. Then how can we do that? Let's do that here. You can do that by, you need to create a view. Then after you create the view, you need to edit that view. Then also you need to open up this one. Then in here you need to type from Django dot http import http response, then def home request, then return http response, and I want to give a welcome note. Welcome to my website. Okay, so let's save this one, and in the URL let's copy this one, then paste it, and I want to give nothing here. Then I will say, so before that, from dot import views, then here I need to add views dot home. Then I want to save it. So let's see how it looks like now. So before that, we really need to run our server. So my server is running, and boom, okay, we're able to see that welcome to my website. So we have talked about a lot of things, you may not be able to understand. In the meantime, let's change something here. Shree, then let's say, okay, we are able to update the message that we are trying to return. So we have talked about a lot of things. We talked about views, URLs, but we haven't explained it. I will be explaining about these things in the next video. So if you like my video, then do like it. If you want to get more update, do subscribe it, and stay tuned for my next video. Bye.